Hey eco friends! Here's another Indian pantry staples dish that you will love, Dal Makhani. I make this all the time in my Instant Pot, but you can certainly make it in a regular pot. Just be sure to cook your lentils and kidney beans fully before putting in the rest of the ingredients. Just soak your lentils and kidney beans in plenty of water for at least 8 hours. You can soak them together in the same bowl. I only did this separately for the purpose of this video. Once they've become nice and plump, turn your Instant Pot on saute mode and pour in some olive oil. Add in some cumin seeds and methi if you have it. Once they become fragrant, add in the onions, garlic, ginger. Stir to combine and let these ingredients party it up for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add in garam masala, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander, hing, and tomato paste. Add in the soaked lentils and the kidney beans that have been drained. Add in water and salt. Cook on the manual setting at high pressure for about 35 minutes. Let the pressure release naturally. The kidney beans should be nice and tender now. Add in the light cashew cream and mix it through. Garnish with cilantro and it's ready to go. I love to heat up some vegan butter and a little bit more red chili powder together and then pour it over my dal makhani. It tastes so good that way. Enjoy this with some rice, roti, or even just regular bread if you like. Believe it or not, we finished this entire amount in one day. That's it for now. I hope you're all keeping safe. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It means so much to me. Thanks for watching. Bye!